Yo, what's up? So we're on build number 4 of my pit bike. I got the JTI skid plate with a set of pegs. They do come with pegs, but I didn't want the ones that came with it, so I bought a set of eBay pegs. They're for a YZ125, but you can adjust them to, or actually they just fit right on. So it comes with all the hardware, the springs, and the bolt thing that goes all the way through, and some cotter pins. But that's everything on that. My pit bike, since I already have the extended swing arm, I have to take the whole swing arm off because these 22mm bolts will not go. These go in the back here for extra support, right back in there. And anyway, I tried to do it, it will not fit down in there. Even underneath, I could not get it with the swing arm, so I'm gonna have to take the rear swing arm off. But yeah, so that'll be build number 4. I'll get to wrenching on the bike, and yep. So what are we doing here today? Turn this music off. God. Your playlist, terrible. So we're hoping this does not pull out of the ceiling, but since it has to sit on the swing arm, we have to find some way to hold it. So I'm hoping this does not come out of the ceiling. So, yep. So it worked, but I don't know how long this thing is gonna hold this, so we gotta hurry up and get this plate undone here. So we gotta hurry up. So. Alright, so only negatives I would say about this plate is the oil filter. You will have to take all of this out just to get to the oil filter, but I mean, I guess it's worth it. Alright, so I got it in. It's a very, very, very tight fit to get in between this bolt right here and this one right here. Has a little washer spacer in between here. I had to use a pry bar and put it right in here and pry it over and slide this spacer up to be able to get that in there. But I mean, it's better than having your whole foot pegs and everything come flying out of the case and break the motor. So I mean, I guess it's kind of worth the struggle, but anyways, it's going together smooth, so we're getting there. Alright, so my bike is completely done. I want to pull the air filter on it though and check it for tomorrow because I will be heading to Route 62 more than likely. They got a new indoor track set up, so we're gonna try it out. But I'll be able to test out these foot pegs and everything. These foot pegs should be a lot better than the stock ones because the stock ones are about like half this size, like that big. So I'm sure it'll feel a lot better. But this week we got some Summit Indoors coming up, big pit bike races. It's an all weekend event. I will be there also. I will have business cards and everything for everybody, and maybe some free stickers if anybody wants them. Put them in the comments. But anyways, I will catch you guys tomorrow morning once I'm on my way there.